Email verification failed on Saxo Bank Fix. If you're signing up for Saxo Bank and the email verification isn't working, don't worry, this is a common issue that can be fixed with a few careful steps. First, make sure your email address is entered correctly. Even a small typo, missing character, or extra space can prevent the verification email from being sent. Accuracy here is essential. Next, check all folders in your inbox, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from Saxo Bank are sometimes filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you find the email, click the verification link immediately, as these links often expire quickly. If you still haven't received the email, request a new verification email from Saxo Bank. Resending the link usually solves the problem for most users. Sometimes the issue is caused by your browser or device. Clear your browser cache, switch to a different browser, or use the Saxo Bank mobile app to improve email delivery. Some email providers block automated messages. If that's the case, try registering with a different email address, ideally Gmail or Outlook, which handle verification emails more reliably. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Saxo Bank support. Explain the issue and the steps you've already tried. Support can manually verify your account, so you can start trading immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, review all folders, resend the link if necessary, try another browser or device, and reach out to support if needed. These steps usually fix verification issues quickly, so you can access Saxo Bank without delay.